Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I need your help. I'm doing a collaboration, but it's a contest with Peace, Love, Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And what we are doing is we set up a challenge to one another for Alice in Wonderland outfit on Blythe. And what our contest is, we are asking you, each viewer, to leave in our comments a vote. Vote our setups and outfits from 1 to 10, 10 being high, and whoever gets the most votes wins. And the loser, which it's not really a loser, but the loser will make a summer outfit for a Blythe doll and mail it to the other person. And what we did was we came up with ideas on our own for setting up our Alice's, and I came up with, actually Darren was my savior. I wanted a cup and a saucer, and I'm telling you, we go to antique malls and I looked everywhere, and you're talking $8 to $15 for a china cup and saucer. We went into a antique or thrift store near us, and all of these, the saucers, the cups, everything, we found for $2. Woohoo! So happy to have it. The cards came from the Dollar Tree. Darren bought me this wonderful book. It is a copy of the original Alice in Wonderland book. You know, my thought was to sit down and read it before making the outfits, but you know, time ticked, and well, you know. I bought a rabbit right away when we decided on the collaboration because Easter was coming. Now, I went to put an Elizabethan collar on him, and I overthought it. I overthought everything. I should have used tooling, but it turned out, and he's got his little cards on his vest, and of course his pocket watch and silver chain. Darren came up with the hat idea to represent the Mad Hatter, and even drilled holes in this. He 3D printed it, matched the outfit, and then drilled holes in there and pulled the bunny's ear through. I think it's adorable. I just love it. I added the cards, but let's talk about Alice. When I was a young teenager, my brother was cool. I mean, my brother was cool back in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And he had a room in the basement with a stereo that was to die for. And of course, he had Jefferson Starship albums, and I used to play Go Ask Alice at the top of the volume and just scream it down there. My mother just absolutely loved it. So when we started talking about Alice in Wonderland, I was all about Go Ask Alice and the mushrooms, and many of you will get that. I love these little key charms, and I had sent a set of these to J Dolls UK, and she came up with the idea of putting those on the wrist with the little ring it has on. I think it's a cute idea, Jay. Thank you. And then I gave her a little necklace with the heart-shaped skeleton key. Darren, once again, saved the day. I made the little dress, and sometimes you overthink things, and come to find out, I didn't measure how much of the eyelet lace I had, and I had just enough to make her skirt and collar, but it turned out cute. I'm happy with it. The stockings I did not make. Those I did buy with a different outfit. Darren made this adorable headband, 3D printed, the teacup, which we put on a clip in her hair. But my favorite is the stand with the music notes and the Go Ask Alice and the mushroom. Give it a 10. I had a lot of fun with this. I think Tammy did too. We had a lot of emails back and forth, and I got to know her better. And I'll be honest with you, I won because that friendship has grown. And honestly, I really don't care if you give Tammy more points than me. Does not hurt my feelings. There's one more thing I'd like for you to do for us. And that is when you leave your comment below with your vote 1 through 10, would you also let Tammy and I know which of the Disney princesses you would like to see us do next? Dress our dolls to become who? And one thing we wanted to mention is if we do Cinderella, we are going to do 2 outfits. The work outfit and the ball. So I am begging you to leave a vote in the comments 1 through 10. The highest score will win our little friendly contest. It'll be fun, and we'll show you on an upcoming video the outfit that was made. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. There is a link below to go over to Tammy's channel so that you can vote fairly. But come back and give me a 10. And please subscribe.